Engineering technology can be described as a hands-on project-based learning.
I would describe engineering technology as interesting and fun.
Experience best describes the engineering technology program at COD.
Those would be our PCS product line.
So those ones carry power too, right?
Those can carry power or signal or both.
How much volts are they going to be available to carry?
Voltage varies on there.
Since I was a kid, I always wanted to work in the engineering field. I just wasn't sure which kind of engineering I was trying to go through. So I decided to take the program at COD to kind of like line up what's the path that I want to take.
I went to College of DuPage for their engineering technology program. What I really enjoyed about it is the diversity of stuff that they introduced me to, and the fact that we're shown a lot of hands-on training that prepared me for the field. I'm a district sales manager for a connector company. Some people call me a sales engineer. I would go around to my different customers and I would almost be a consultant for what they might need in terms of a connector for their board or cable assembly that they would be designing for either a power module or any kind of signal conditioning. So if I saw a connector similar to this, the customer might need to replace this with something that could accept more current, more power. I would take a look at the footprint, take a look at our product line and see what we can offer. In this case, we certainly have something very similar.
Sure.
That could almost be a drop-in replacement. So then I would suggest that. Make sure that it's going to be able to accept his current, his voltage, the footprint that he's looking for.
The engineering technology program at the College of DuPage has many degree options. It's an applied technology in the field of electronics or electromechanical technology, or something we call integrated engineering technology. We also have a number of certificates in addition to degrees if students want to complement their technical education with general education classes in order to improve their soft skills.
It was the second or third program that will offer you like so much with like hands-on and theory, and at the same time like you can do group projects and do your designs. It's not like sit down in the classroom and pay attention to the theory and then just do homework and that's it. It's more than that. You got like a lot of people working with you. You do your projects, you actually get to see them build, and that's real nice. It feels really nice to like see your project done and working, and you just feel so proud of it.
What made you decide to get into this program?
I decided to get in the program because I always wanted to go in the robotics field, and I knew it was a lot of hands-on. They had like mechanics, they had electronics, communication programming. Got so much experience when I was over there.
Yeah, and the hands-on, and
yeah.
we took a couple field trips to around places similar to this, and
Sure.
got to see some of the industry. So
I think the part that I like the most about the program, it's like the hands-on on the projects, because we pretty much leave over school like at least one semester, 12 hours a day. They're working in something, and always with Bob and with Granny.
Yeah.
What we try to do in the technology programs is to give students work experience. That means that everything they learn or do here is very much similar to what they would be working on and what they would be doing at a real job. So we're trying to mimic the real workplace, and through projects and working in teams and being able to communicate and explain and communicate ideas and explain the technical contents, they should be able to be comfortable in a very high-tech environment, which is a typical situation for industry today, as the technology is very well developed and integrated in all its aspects.
I would recommend to the students who are taking this engineering technology program at COD that it would give them a great foundation, whether they would want to be employed right after they finish the program. There's a lot of opportunity out there for that, or give them a great foundation to decide if they wanted to go on to a four-year degree.
To meet Amy was real nice because she's a professional that's been working in the field for a couple years now, and she really knows what she's doing, and it's interesting that she graduated of the same stuff that I was studying before. So it kind of opens my mind of what can I do with that degree.
What I did here with David today, where I showed him what I do every day, I think it would help him just to get another aspect of what an engineer might do in their everyday job. Just one more facet, because there's so many different things out there.